She's back! Okay, wow, this is cool. It's like going to a roller coaster park and not having any lines and just cutting right back to the front of the roller coaster again and again. Okay, so yeah, here's another original. I got like over 50, so as long as I'm feeling it, we might be here a while. Ah! This is called Wolf. I wrote it a while ago. I'll tell you something. You are a wolf and I like to wear sheep's clothing. So if you notice what I am clothing, you'll see I'm really a lion. So back off when I tell you to. Get over what I put you through, and we can have a good time anytime you're ready to. I'm not saying it's all on you, cause you're gonna do what you've got to do, but don't you ever dare misconstrue my love for you, cause I love you. Ooh, I love you. What a silly situation, crossbreeding pollination. And despite the complication, I appreciate everything that you've been bringing. We're doing this for a reason, unlikely anticipation, and there ain't no sense in changing for anyone. But I will dress for the occasion. Would you like me to put another sheep on? Hang on, man, I'll put another sheep on. Alright, cool. Yeah, we'll keep it going. This one, once again, time for another one. This one's called Silly Slut. Another original. Yay. You've got to be kidding me with all of this bullshit you're feeding me. I really think you should come clean from all of it immediately. My, now you're walking with a swagger, like you just had her. I know you could have anyone you wanted. Why do you flaunt it? But you don't answer to anyone but your own reflection. You're not fooling anyone with your very, 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 very own deception. You're not fooling anyone. You close your eyes, don't you watch where you were going? Your lies are showing. I know you had her wrapped around your fingers. The smell still lingers, but I know you don't answer to anyone but your own reflection. You're not fooling anyone with your very, 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 very own deception. So carry on, it turns me on. Silly slut, you don't know what you're doing. All the times you fuck for free will do it to me indefinitely. Open up and take freely whatever it is you want from me. Can't complain that you'll remain the one that's still available. It would rock if you would stop, but I don't think you're capable. Cause you don't answer to anyone about your own deception. You're not fooling anyone with your very pretty reflection. So carry on, it turns me on.